In this video, I'm going to walk you through a particular website that's going to offer you the opportunities to make at least $100 to $200 a day, and all of these are going to be at the comfort of your home. And you are the person that's going to choose when and how you want to work. All right. And one of the interesting things about this website is that you don't need to be an expert before you start making money. You don't even need a previous experience to get everything started. All right. And all you're going to need is just an access to the internet, a working laptop, or even a smartphone. And no matter where you come from, being America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you come from the world, where you live in the world, you can get everything started and start using this website to be making money online. All right. I know now you might be thinking, this app that you're talking about, how does it even work? Listen. This app gives you the opportunity to connect with different companies and different employers, all right? And you as a person, just like me, a freelancer who want to make money online, Appen will give you the opportunity to select from the available jobs that are all posted by these companies and employers. And once you see the job that interests you, you're going to hit and apply and you're going to get everything started. That is basically how Appen works, okay? Now that you know how Appen works, what you're going to do now is to go ahead and create your account. Right? And to do that, what you need to do is to hit on the jobs button. Okay? And once you do that, you're going to be on this page. You're going to have 3 categories here, just like this. And you're going to choose from any of the 3 categories. Okay? Any of the 3 categories that you choose, you can also make money with them. But firstly, I'm going to walk you through the project 1. This is from the part-time jobs and the long-term jobs. Okay? And through this, you're going to make a lot of money. And you want to stay tuned because in the video, I'm still going to explain the other 2 types of jobs that you can actually do. Alright, the second one is microtask and the third one is survey data collection. But for the main purpose of this video, we're going to go with the project 1. Okay, what you're going to do is to hit on this button, apply. Then you're going to be on this page. Alright, you're going to put in your email address right here and create a specific password. And once you've done that, you're going to put your first name and your last name. Okay, and here you're going to select your country of residence, where you are currently living. Make sure it's your current place, your current country, because it's very important. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on this button that said, I certify that I'm 18 years old. And once you've done that, you're going to hit on create your account. Okay, and when you hit on that button, create your account, you're going to be on this page just like this with an email. You're going to hit on verify my account. Okay, then you're going to be on this page again. What you need to do is to continue with the email and sign in. But if you have your account already, what you're going to do is just to hit this button right here that says already have an account, sign in. Alright, you just sign in. Then you're going to be on this page, just hit on this button, please log in. Then you're going to be on the home page just like this. Alright, and here you're going to find the suggested jobs. Okay, and here you're going to see audio projects. Since we just created this account, what we need to do to have more jobs is for you to complete your profile. Alright, for you to have more jobs, you need to complete your profile, and it's very important, okay? Because if you complete your profile, you're going to have more chance to be accepted with any jobs that you applied for. Alright, so you can see our profile right here is 50% done, and we need to complete it. Alright, so what you need to do is to go ahead and continue to your profile. Then you're going to be on this page just like this, and you can see that the step 1 is your basic information about your name and your email. We just done that already. Okay, and the step 2 of your profile is your language. Okay, you're going to put in the language that you speak right here, and where you are currently living is very important. Okay, and once you've done that, you go ahead to step 3, and step 3 is all about your location. You're going to write your street name right here and the name of your city and country. Alright, and once you've done that, you're going to write the name of your state and the zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you can go to Google and write your city name and write the zip code. It's going to come out. What you need to do is to copy the zip code and paste it right here. Okay, then they're going to ask your residency history. You're going to say you are living in that country in more than 5 years. It's very important. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead to step 4, and the step 4 is going to ask you about your highest education. What you're going to do, you can choose anything you like, but if you want to make your profile look more professional, that is going to be up to you. I don't know about your study, but you can choose something here to make it look more professional. Right, I'm going to go ahead and put bachelor's degree. Okay, and your linguistic qualification, you can actually choose anyone that you like. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with the diploma completed. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead to step 5. Step 5 is all about your previous experience. I'm going to go ahead and tick off. And mostly this third one, you're going to click it. Okay, it's very important. It's going to show that you have more experience on what you're talking about. And here they're going to ask you of the company name. You can either write Google Jobs or Microsoft Jobs or even Adobe Jobs. Alright, and once you've done that, you're going to go ahead to step 6, where you're going to verify your phone number. All right, and once you've done that, you're going to hit on the preview. You're going to have the ability to view all your input details. All right, and once you complete your profile, you're going to return to the home page again. Okay, mine still remain 50% because I only walk you through how to do it. I didn't actually fill in the information because I have my account already. And here you're going to have where they're going to be suggesting to you different type of jobs. And note that the jobs that are going to be on your home screen are going to be different from mine. Okay, because I live in a different country, you live in a different country, so the jobs are entitled to the country you are. Everything is going to be different. Okay, and these are the jobs that are currently available right now. Some of the jobs used to change as time goes on. All right, all these jobs that I'm seeing here are not going to be the same with yours. Okay, but the price range are going to be the same, like $7 per task, $12 per task, $50 per task, and you can even have like $200 per task. All right, so it depends on the job. It doesn't depend mainly on the location. That is not an excuse. Okay, and you can see this very one right here is going to pay you like $12 per task. Okay, and if you want to know what the job is all about, all you need to do is just to hit on this small button, and you're going to see everything here. Like right now, this job is currently paused. Okay, because I believe they must have gotten lots of people. Once they post it, it's not for only one person, it's for everyone. As far as they need more of this information, they will continue to post the job. All right, and once they want to evaluate something or they are partially satisfied, they can actually post it. And after some time again, they're going to resume the jobs. But the rest are not paused. Some of them might be closed, and some of them will still want you to complete more jobs for them. All right, and what you're going to do if you click on the job, just read everything that is written here. Okay, that is going to be the instruction that is going to guide you. This particular one is asking you to send like 10 to 15 pictures of yourself. All right, and this very one is short-term earning. That means the project is not going to be long-term project. All right, and you'll be asked to submit one current photo of yourself. Okay, and they will also need old photo of yourself, minimum of 9 to 14, and they're going to pay you $12. All right, so this is going to be up to you. If you like the job, that's how you're going to browse through all of them and read through what the job is all about. Okay, if you find anyone that you like, what you need to do is to hit on this button that said apply. Okay, then you're going to be at this page where you're going to accept every other thing. Okay, and for you to sign for the job, they're going to ask you for your email address, of which they are going to use to reply you, and your append password. You're going to hit it and you're going to agree to all of their terms. You are going to read all of this, but for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long. It's already getting over some minutes, but since it's a real job, you're going to read everything, so you're going to know why they are in need of your old pictures. Okay, you can read through everything. Once you've done that, you're going to hit to the agreeing to the terms. And on this page, they're going to ask you some basic questions right here. Some of all these questions are confidential. I'm not going to show it. But once you've done that, you're going to come over and hit on the submit button. And immediately, they're going to reply you of the job. And once they reply you, they're going to give you the instructions on how everything is going to be done. All right? So that's how you are going about to be doing all of that jobs like that. And at the end, I believe you're going to be making a reasonable money from it. I know it's not going to make you that rich, but at least you can make something out of it that's going to pay a lot of your bills. All right, you remember at the beginning of this video I said I'm going to walk you through the other two methods, so it's basically the same thing. If you have account in any of them, you can actually use it to log in any of the other two. All right, we created an account here. When you want to use this other one, you can click it just like this, and you're not going to fill any of this information again. What you're going to do is to hit on this button that says sign in. Okay, then everything are going to show just like this. Okay, that is basically how it goes. And if you want to test this out, what it's all about, the micro task, you can also hit on the apply button and repeat the same thing. You're not going to create an account again. You'll use your details and hit on the login. All right, so if you watch this video to this point, I do appreciate you. I want you to go out there and test it out yourself. All right, and if you feel like you've learned something for this video, you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I upload any video just like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified by YouTube and be the first person to watch the video. All right, and if you don't want to make money with this website, this very video right here or even this website are going to show you different ways and different websites and different strategies that you can actually use to make more money online. All right, so see you next time with another video again just like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers. Peace out.